airport in Hawaii, and we're waiting for a shuttle to take us to the Alamo rental car center. It's really hot. It's kind of humid a little bit.
Yeah, the humidity is the thing.
Yeah.
Very, very different from San Diego.
And I'm wearing my thick crew neck, so kind of hot. How's the flight?
It kind of started off a little rough. There was no Wi-Fi, so we couldn't do the free streaming or even pay to watch a movie, which I was actually thinking about. Janie was able to sleep and I wasn't. And then we started to talk and play games and make up games together. And
That was fun. I really like that.
then, yeah, the rest of the second half was pretty quick.
You know, and as always, plane rides are not the most comfortable for me.
Yeah, but it was roomy.
That's true.
My legs weren't cramped. I mean,
Well,
sure, it sucks, but they weren't bad.
My legs and my hands were starting to swell. So that was a little weird.
Just really excited to get eating because I'm hungry.
Me too. We're gonna go to a Japanese market.
Might get sushi, maybe not. We don't know.
Yeah. I guess we'll check in again once we get to the rental car place, right?
We'll just start driving, maybe?
Yeah. Alright.
I need to check my phone.
Bye. Just a quick update. We've gotten in our rental car. It's a Toyota something. Anyway, we're on our way to a Japanese market to get some food in case we get hungry. Because, you know, we're all the way up north of the island where, you know, a lot of the Japanese markets aren't there. So, yeah, just hoping to find some onigiri. And Sammy's driving as usual. My hubby's driving. Yeah, so just a quick update. I need to start navigating again. So that's what's up. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hello, we're at like one of the souvenir stores, one of the convenience stores, and we just had a pineapple bowl. It's like a shaved ice. It has vanilla ice cream and it has vanilla ice cream and pineapple chunks and like some pineapple juice as well as some shaved ice. So it was really good. And we're gonna get ready to go on a hike. Maybe Waimea Valley, I think.
Maybe. Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, it's really cool. We're at the North Shore Marketplace, I believe that's what it's called. And there's a bunch of little like cute shops that we enjoyed looking at. They have a lot of beautiful woodwork here, so really, really enjoyed that. But yeah, talk to you when we go to the hike. Bye. So we're hiking in Waimea Valley now. We're gonna go see the waterfall, the Waimea Falls, and it's really cool here.
Yes, it is. It's really neat. It's hot, humid, good workout, very good workout as we keep climbing higher and higher.
Yeah.
Janie has ADD with the wazoo because we couldn't start navigating for about 20 minutes because she was like, ooh, ooh. Ooh. And we went in like zigzags all around the place.
Yeah.
Very not efficient, and I love her. That's all I can say.
But you know what? It was really cool because they had like a village area, like ancient Hawaiian living style area where all like the buildings that they would have built or like huts that they would have built are still there. And I thought it's really cool, like how it was built. Gives me ideas in case I'm like stranded in an island.
Yes. You dig the hole, put the post, then put the rocks around it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. We see a lot of like really interesting plants here. And it's really cool. Right, Oppa?
Here you can see the orange plant.
The orange plant.
I'm just kidding.
Anyway, we'll come back when we find the waterfall. Right?
Maybe.
Alright, catch you later. The mighty peacock. The mighty peacock. Is it a tree branch or a feather? It's huge. What a show off.
Look at me, I'm so pretty.
Look at my pretty body. Apparently they're aggressive, so you're not supposed to feed them, or else like they will peck at you or something. A mighty peacock. That's huge. I wonder what the diameter is on that. Ooh, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. It's looking straight at me.
It's like, you're recording? Well, if that's the case. Look at me, I'm YouTube famous.
What a show off, this guy.
One more time for me.
Hello.
We're at Lanier Falls. We're at a pretty waterfall and we're swimming in 30 feet deep water. Of course, I need a life vest.
Well, we're required to wear the life vest, so that's not bad.
I like it. I like it.
It's kind of scary because the entrance is like really rocky and they're all mossy and slippery.
Yeah.
But and then it just drops off, which is actually nice because we have a life vest.
Yeah, and the sun just came out too.
Yeah, and then the waterfall is really loud. It's only 30 feet, and it's like really it's loud and kind of scary, but it's
Yeah, I'll show you the cold pan. It's kind of cloudy up there, but then beautiful waterfall. There's Oppa looking all sexy.
yeah. The water is freezing, but actually gets really warm by the waterfall because I think the river might be shallow up there, or the rocks are really warm too.
Yeah.
But it was freezing to get in, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
And I'm slowly floating towards the camera.
Once you get in the water, it feels nice. I mean, we were hiking, or like we were just walking for a good amount of time, right? Before we reached the waterfall.
Yeah, about an hour and a half, I think.
Yeah, I would say we walked over a mile for sure, just because we took some detours around the trails, and like I'm distracted by all the trails. So yeah, we're here, and it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh, little dude. I mean, big dude. Just passing
안녕하세요.
by. Walking on the sidewalk, wiggling your thingy.
Show me your butt. Show me your butt. Not like
Whoa.
that.
Bye bye, peacock. Bye bye. Chicken. 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 Hello.
Hello.
We just went to a beach and we got some really awesome photos of me cartwheeling and Oppa's body being broken. And then now we're headed back to the resort. It's 5:12 p.m. Hawaii time, and we have a spa booked for I think 6 o'clock, and it's gonna be awesome.
Couple spa treatment.
Yeah. Oh, and I had they call it a pineapple tiki drink. It was really good. I think they just blended like the pineapple juice with some pineapple pulp and ice. And that's what it tasted like. And it came in a whole pineapple. And it was $10.
It's kind of expensive.
I'd say that was pretty overpriced, but
Especially for a place that grows pineapples, it was definitely overpriced.
yeah, for sure. Well, it made for awesome Instagram photos though.
That is true, yes.
It just looks really cool, and I don't know, it's nice to try it out at least once. But around that food truck area that we ate like fish tacos, and then we checked out some of the North Shore shrimp and the shrimp truck, and it was like garlic shrimp, right, Oppa?
Garlic butter shrimp.
Yeah, and it was a little buttery, but it was still good. That whole area of food trucks, it's kind of overpriced, I would say.
Yes.
Things are like over $12, like per entree, which
Like a food truck meal. Food truck meal should be like
$5 or something like that.
$5 to $10 or $8 or something.
Yeah. So I'd say it was overpriced, but at least, you know, it was a good experience.
You have to have something here that's like, oh my gosh, this is delicious. I need to have it again.
Yeah. So we ended up going to Waimea Falls. There's footage. And it was cool. It was like really awesome. It was kind of cold, so I didn't really want to go in. But yeah, me and Opa forced it. And it was really good after we just went in. It felt nice. And it was actually warmer towards the waterfall. So that was a big surprise.
And the sun came out.
Right. And then I got purple. Do you see that?
Okay, I think you can see it actually really well on the camera.
I look really purple. Woo-wee! You can see the tan line. Pretty bad tan line. I'm excited to get out of this bikini. It's like damp and it doesn't feel good. But
I also made the mistake of giving Jane pineapple because it makes her psychotic. And she's been psychotic.
So yeah,
But she's happy.
I'm happy. We're happy, right, Opa? Are you happy?
Sure.
Hey,
Yes, I'm very
you!
I finally feel like I'm on vacation. And this is amazing. This has been an amazing, basically, first day.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, first 24 hours we've been in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Slept really well.
And it's been pretty jam-packed. There's a lot of stuff to do and it was fun.
We've taken it very easy. It's not jam-packed.
You think so? I felt it was kind of jam-packed. Okay. Alrighty. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.
And weigh approximately 10 pounds. Unlike birds that fly on have hollow bones, penguins have thick, dense bones, which are an adaptation to living and swimming in the ocean. They use their wings in an up and down motion to propel themselves through the water.
Why don't you sing to them, honey? Feel, honey?
I'm really happy.
You feel like a Disney princess now?
Yeah.
Those guys fight.
Ooh.
Oh, look at them. My seed.
Their claws are painful though.
Hey, stop eating our hair. Jane has 2 birds on her. I have a few. This guy's really loud. Are you having fun, honey?
Yeah.
Aloha! Salud!
Wow.
The count of 3. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, and there you have it. It is a well done roasted bois. And don't worry, this is not the only pig waiting. We got more.